Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I can't think of anything much better than sliding your feet into comfy warm slippers on a cold winter day, and these adorable slippers from WateLves will bring you so much joy and comfort you'll never want to take them off your feet. These house slippers are made from very soft material and they have a lot of cushion to keep your steps comfortable no matter what you're doing. They come in different designs and I'm absolutely in love with the vibrant colors of this strawberry print. The soles are strong and durable enough to walk to the mailbox or to keep up with you if you have a day full of housework. They bring me so much joy. I'm gone all day, and I think about them all day, and I look forward to sliding them on in the evenings and spending some time at home with my family. Their durability is definitely noteworthy. My dog steals my slippers every day, and they show no signs of the abuse that she puts them through. So if you're ready to pamper yourself with an adorable, comfortable, and long-lasting pair of house slippers, then look no further than these adorable house slippers from WateLves.
And that's my point of view.